Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be going over the different types of wood post protectors that we carry here at HAAS Stainless and how you can properly use them when installing your cable railing system. We post a ton of really helpful cable railing tutorials here on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Wood post protectors are designed to prevent the cables in your system from rubbing on the edges of the holes in your post and also offer a very complete and finished look to your cable railing system. At HAAS Stainless, we carry three different types of wood post protectors: straight, transition, and angled. And each type is going to be used for different post scenarios and applications. Straight wood post protectors are going to be used in post scenarios whenever your cable is passing level or straight through the holes in your post. Transition wood post protectors are going to be used in post scenarios whenever your cable needs to bend as it is entering or exiting the holes in your post. Angled wood post protectors are going to be used for your intermediate post on your stair rails. They are available in 30, 33, and 37 degree angles. So when selecting angled wood post protectors, you're going to want to select the angle that matches closest to that of your handrail. Wood post protectors can be used for both the REVO and the HAAS system. However, it's important for you to understand where you'll need to use wood post protectors when using either system. If you're installing the HAAS system, wood post protectors will not be needed wherever you have HAAS tensioners or end stops installed and will only be used at your intermediate post. If you're installing the REVO system, wood post protectors will be needed at your termination post where you have either a through post tensioner or a through post end stop installed, and also at your intermediate post. If you're installing the REVO system and your system requires you to use REVO lag tensioners or lag end stops, you will not need to use wood post protectors where those components are installed. If you have any questions about how to use wood post protectors, then be sure to drop us a comment below, and if you found today's video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.